DY stove can be fueled by both firewood and pellets. It has a built-in exhaust function that is specially designed to consume a lesser amount of fuel and release more heat. Also, through the fuel filter, the DY stove can last for 14 hours straight. The common pellet stove is designed with an under-filter structure, making it heavy and immobile. The DY stove covers these by using developed materials, such as stainless steel and silica glass, that can withstand heat and corrosion. In addition, every metal portion of the stove is TIG welded, which shapes the product's strong appearance. The DY stove's fuel filter can be manually separated, which can help prevent unwanted heat. Not only does the DY stove have well-designed inbuilt features, but it also has a fantastic cover that can be used for various types of cooking. The pellet burner can be combined with a glass heater, which can create a warm mood too. Isn't that great? It is important for outdoor products to be mobile and to have a nice design. Stainless steel is used to withstand 100% of the heat and corrosion. Moreover, silica glass is intended to block off radiation. The specially designed fuel filters also help keep you safe from fire and heat, even in your sleep. What is the purpose of an outdoor life? Being one with nature. The sounds. Cooking delicious meals. Feeling warmth. As always, this is the outdoor life. What does an outdoor life mean to you? DY Stove, only in Kickstarter.